So these were my big brothers. When we visited the village, that was somewhere January ending, yes. And so my elderly brother who lives there was like, Chalemuba village Ache, so I've got something small for you. And this was a something small. It was like, oh guys, won't you wait for coolie body? And as the videographer of the family, my friend Yagrokra, as early as 6 o'clock, they woke up, they slaughtered the goat, and as you can see, the surgery is ongoing. And guess what follows? Guess what follows? Fufonia punching.